Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Install Go Raid Party from your device store and open the app. Create an account using email and a secure password or sign in with Google. Complete the 3-step setup and finish in about 2 minutes. Grant location access and microphone permission to enable live voice and map accuracy. Verify your phone number to activate invites and push notifications. Adjust basic profile details and set a display name so teammates recognize you quickly. Tap Create Party to start a raid and enter the gym location, start time, and boss level. Set a maximum of 20 players and choose public or invite-only visibility. Use the map filter to search for parties within a 3-5-mile radius from your current location. Select Instant Join to enter nearby public raids quickly. Alternatively, accept invites from friends or open groups and confirm attendance to reserve your slot on the roster. Use the in-app chat and voice channels to coordinate arrival and strategy with teammates. Send a 5-minute warning and use the 30-second countdown before battles to synchronize timers. Pin important messages such as boss counters and move recommendations for everyone to see. Mute notifications or enable Do Not Disturb while battling to reduce distractions. Edit party details or cancel a raid up to 10 minutes before the start time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.